My name is Death Dragon, and we're gonna be doing another part 3 to Road to LeBron James. We're gonna play this game, gameplay twice. In the last video, if you guys remember, we got court vision from one of these things, and we only have to do 3 more to get LeBron James, which is really good because LeBron James is really hard to get, and all we have to do is get 3 more and we got LeBron James. I was thinking about selling LeBron James for like 5 million, but I don't think nobody has that much coins yet. Anyways, that's a 93 overall, which I ain't gotta do that. I think almost everybody wants LeBron James because he's just so good. He really is. You gotta give it to him. He's a really good player. Oh, nah, you better get that. Wide open 3. That's horrible. Give Ginobili. Ginobili with the 3. Ginobili got some shots, so you gotta hand that to him. You gotta give that to him. I got Ginobili. Another 3 from, or was that a 2? I sworn that was a 3. I sworn that his foot wasn't on the line. I seriously thought it wasn't. Perfect. Hopefully we win this one, cause As you guys might know, I sold Jimmy Butler to do the pack and play. Okay, so 3-point win. Oh. Hey, we still won. That's all that matters. That's all I gotta say. It's all that matters that we won. Okay, we're gonna play another one of these. See, your team's at 80 overall because I think we're using our shooting team. Which they're alright, but they're not that good. Nobody. He's like the Black Widow if Kevin. Hold on, no. It's Kobe Bryant's the Black Mamba. Ginobili's the Black Widow. Yes. Deadly. Damn deadly shots though. All I gotta say is to the guys, like, can you please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and go watch Raiders Rampage. He makes daily videos like me, and go see like his newest and latest video. Raiders Rampage, RADIERS, Raiders, RAMPAGE, Rampage. Raiders Rampage is his name. Go check out his videos. If you see he subscribe to his thumbnail creator. I don't got one yet. Can y'all all hit the shot? Yes, you can. So, we won these 2 events. Hopefully, we get a chance or get one of them so we get closer to getting LeBron James. And when we get LeBron James, I'll make a video for that. And I'll also make a gameplay video. LeBron James. Okay, gonna cross me. I didn't think that was gonna go in, but who cares? Kobe. Okay, well, this is gonna be scary, man. I was gonna say, if that went in, I'm gonna like, Kobe. No, Brian. Okay, so we're gonna open the thing up. I already got rebounded. Jackson. I already finished defense. And shot block also on defense. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. I do not need it. I finished all them. Shot block and defense. I mean, shot block and rebounding. See, that one's all done. So, we got nothing there. But, what I do afterwards, I'll put all these guys instead. What I do afterwards, I put them in, like, you know, and I sell them. Wait, now I'm thinking about it. I was in the small ball team. Pretty good team. Okay, now I'm gonna go to sets. Upgrade, you know, put all these people in. I'm gonna sell Reggie Jackson and Rudy Gay because, you know, 80 overall go for at least, I think, like 50,000. Oh, elite trophy. Yeah, so they're gonna go for like 50,000. Yeah, I think that's the lowest they go. I think, no, that's not, maybe might be the highest. All we need is silver trophies now. We got a lot of bronze, way too many bronze players. So let's do this. Come on, silver. Okay, I gotta do silver people, same amount of people. I think we might have enough for 2 of these to open. Oh yes, some silver. Yep, we got enough for 2. And then we're gonna do a large qwicksell also. So this is gonna be a lot of content today, which I'm giving you guys, which hopefully you guys like. I'm flipping this around. I'm gonna keep on clicking on it. Okay, only you guys know what I got. I'm gonna flip it around in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 50,000. I'll take it. I will take it. Yep, I like that. I like that one. Yep, I really like that one. I'm just gonna open some packs up just because. I could do a shooting guard because I really do need one. Hold on, I'm gonna check my shooting guard. Who my shooting guard to get? Ginobili's my shooting guard. I could do Denelli's shooting guard. Okay, so I'm gonna open one of these. And then I'm open the shooting guard one. I already got one. Wrong shooting guard. Okay. Let's see what we get. Really? The guy that I pulled, like, already? I know he's on my team somewhere. Nope, he's not on my team. I already took him off. So much loads that I do not need. Hey, at least we got more than we started with. Yo, I should have rather done the 2 regular pack opening because I would have better chance of getting elite than doing that one. Well, that shit was a guaranteed elite, which is pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna put these in a large qwicksell. Okay, guys, hopefully you liked today's video. And if you haven't seen earlier video of the Crossy Road, go check that out. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.